Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas Day 11 and today you're going to be getting ready with me for my apartment complex's Christmas party. It's a charcuterie and caricature party. They're going to have a caricature artist that's like drawing our pictures and a huge charcuterie board and just good vibes. Y'all know my apartment be coming with the libations and the vibrations, okay? It's always a good time at Nova. So we are about to get ready to head downstairs, me and Ray. Hope you guys enjoy this full get ready with me makeup beats. It's really giving Christmas. I love the red lip. I love the way my base makeup came out as well due to that primer I used. Get that primer I'm about to show y'all. But yeah, I love how everything came out. My outfit is super cute. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. The biggest tip to securing a beat face is to make sure that skin is primed and prepped. So we're going to start with a clean base and we're going to moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. This is how you get your base to come out flawless with no flaky or dead skin. I love the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream. I did get this in PR, but I don't promote nothing that I don't really use, and I absolutely love this moisturizer. I also love their under eye creamy avocado treatment. This will have your concealer so flawless. It will make everything blend so smooth and it feels so good. If y'all take anything from this video, please get this. I'm also going to prep my lips with a little bit of Aquaphor. I knew I was planning to do a red lip and I did not want it to come out all crusty. Although I'm going to start with my eyes, I like to do my primer first. This is the infamous Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I have the Universal Radiant Blurring Balm Powder. This shit is legit. I know y'all have heard about this all over TikTok. Believe the hype. It's amazing. This product is so good for blurring out those pores and it literally gives you a photoshopped, airbrushed kind of look. I take a little bit more and focus it around my nose, on my chin, and above my mouth because that is where most of my pores are visible. Getting into brows, we're going to use our ABH Brow Wiz. I don't think I've ever used another eyebrow product since I was probably like 18, okay? This is my go-to girl. I just do quick strokes with a light hand. You don't want your brows to be too dark or overpowering. To carve my brows out, I'm going to go in with this Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer in the color 14Y, and I'm going to take a flat Morphe brush just to get a little bit more detailed and really carve out those brows. Because we'll be doing an eye look today, we're going to drag that concealer down to our eyelid and also set with a powder so we can prepare for the shadow. Y'all, I done had this Morphe Neutral Territory palette for I don't know how long and she's still going strong, so we just gonna keep using her. Starting with the middle brown color from the bottom row, we are gonna build this color up onto both of our lids. Make sure you are blending. We don't want any harsh lines. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Once we have a nice color buildup, we're going to take that darker brown and focus it more in the creases. Now, we won't be doing a true cut crease, but I just wanted to give the illusion of that. I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer. You can use any light color concealer that you have on a fluffy brush, and we're just going to pat that onto our lid. Make sure to go between that brush and your blending brush for the shadows just to make sure everything is flawlessly melted together. I also took a little bit of a shimmery champagne color and I'm going to top that over where I just put the concealer. Next, we're going to do some eyeliner. I'm using a black pencil from e.l.f. and I'm also going to smoke it out with a small brush. It's so weird because I never used to like pencil liner, but now I cannot remember the last time that I used a liquid eyeliner. I love the smoky look. I'm going to be using the Kiss lashes in the style Pompadour. I like to double up the lashes, so I'm going to use this set right here. And you can use one pair if you like. I just like to double up because it gives you a lot more volume and it just makes the lash thicker. The absolute best lash glue is the Duo Quick Set with the hard applicator, not the brush. This glue dries so fast and it will last your lashes all night. While we wait for the lash glue to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start my base off with my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the color Syracuse. I'm like in between Syracuse and Tahoe right now. I know my forehead is a little bit darker, so it's going to look really light, but it'll all come together in the end. To add some color back into my face, I'm going to use the Fenty Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer, and I have the color Teddy. I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, along the sides of my nose, and most importantly, that forehead, because I know y'all see that line of demarcation. That is not cute. Make sure you blend that out. Go ahead and apply your lashes, and then we're going to get into the rest of the face. To highlight today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 20 Sand. I actually really love this concealer. I feel like this is a great highlight shade for me. For a while, I was struggling to find a good one, but I really like this one. And for this, we're going to go underneath the eyes, along the bridge of the nose, on our chin, and our forehead. I have no idea why this wasn't shown, but I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place blush lighter in the color Pink Lady Glow. I just got this and I absolutely love it. It's like a blush and a highlighter mixed together. I love the color payoff and it was really affordable. If you know me, you know I'm a blush girl. I will put blush every damn where. So I'm going to go heavy on my cheeks, and I also love to add it to my nose. I'm going to spray this Real Techniques setting brush with some setting spray, and we're going to start to blend out this concealer. This is where the skin prep and the primer all come into play. Everything is just going to come together so nicely. Especially that under eye. My under eye was so well blended, y'all. No creasing. It was smooth as butter. Get that avocado eye treatment. Once all your cream products are applied, it's time to bake and set. I'm going to use this MAC Happy Go Rosy blush to top off my blush. I went in with this random translucent powder that I had just to set underneath the eyes and everywhere else I highlighted, but this is not my baking powder. To bake, I'm going to be using the Morphe Brightening Pink Powder. I absolutely love any kind of brightening pink powder, but Morphe is really, really good. I'm going to use this Sephora bronzer in the color 3, I believe, to top off that contour that I did. And then I'm going to use that same setting brush to blend together everything and wipe away the excess powder. We're going to do some under eyeliner and also some mascara. This is that same black eyeliner. I'm also just going to smudge it out a bit. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash. This is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. I love how small the wand is, so I can really get up in there and get every single lash. Because baby, I don't have no lashes like that. But this just makes everything pop. At this point, we're going to make sure all that powder is brushed away. Everything is blended together seamlessly. I always got to go in and touch up the front of my brows because I usually wipe some product away when I'm blending out my concealer and applying powder. We're going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. This is so good. This will have your face stuck on. Low-key, this is probably their hairspray just repackaged, but I don't give a damn. It get the job done. I'm just using this old highlighter that I have. They no longer sell it, so I don't even feel the need to tell y'all who it's by. Now on to the star of the show, the lip. I absolutely love this NYX Line Loud lip liner. This is in the color Too Blessed. Y'all, I think I found my perfect lip liner color. It's not too dark, it's not too light. I love the way it looks on the skin. I'm definitely gonna be sticking by this color. I did overline my lips a little bit just so that when I apply the red lipstick, it doesn't look messy. I'm of course going in with that MAC Ruby Woo. What other red lipstick would a girl be using? One thing MAC no ball with is lipsticks. I did not have to reapply this color all night. It stayed on and it really didn't even look that bad all through eating and drinking. And that is pretty much it for the makeup look. Next, we're gonna go into hair. I really just redid my edges. I was liking how the ponytail looked and I kind of did want to do an updo, so I pretty much left it as is and I just pulled out the two curly pieces in the front. Okay guys, I am fully dressed. I'm about to show you guys my outfit. I did the red lip. I think it came out really cute. I left my hair in the ponytail because I was feeling the ponytail and I wanted it up and like out of my face. Honestly, truly, I didn't want my hair to be like catching on my skirt and stuff all night. So yeah, I have on this, I honestly don't know where this black turtleneck bodysuit is from. It's just a basic black mock neck bodysuit. It has like the little snap in the middle. I have on this silver chain. I want to say this is from H&M. I have this bracelet that's like silver chain link with some pearls on it. I have no idea where this is from. This is a horrible outfit of the day. I don't know where nothing is from. I have on this studded ring, silver, which is from Akira. I know that. Actually, I think this is from Akira too. This skirt, I know for a fact is from Amazon. I just got these tights. Why did the tights rip in two places? I paid $20 for these fucking tights. They ripped as soon as I put them on. Would not fucking recommend. Hot Topic, you owe me $20. And then the tights have like little dots on them. Little black dots. And then I have on these platform heel boots. These are from Akira. And this is all I'm wearing, y'all. The party is literally downstairs in my apartment complex in like the club room, community room or whatever. But I think she's I think she's taking it. I might be the baddest one at the Christmas party. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.